Hey everyone, today should be another kick-ass video. We're going drag racing. For the record, I've never done that. And I also know some people are gonna ask, Daniel, what about your loud ass exhaust? I looked at the rules and the drag strip I'm at does not have any decibel limits. As you can hear, loud ass shit like that. So we should be good today. Before we go check the car, I figured I should give people a walk around as there's been an influx of new subscribers. So we're gonna do that right now. For those of you who don't know, this is a Toyota MR2. It's been swapped with the Honda V6, has a blower on it, and has a 6-speed LSD transmission. I won this car in a raffle. I've put a shit ton of work into it just to make it like drivable and safe on the road. So that's pretty much the car. If you want to know more about the car, I actually got a video on my channel. It's my very first one. Just click on my channel and you can find the video. It goes into way more detail. I got through tech with flying colors. I just gotta say, holy shit, the caliber of car that's here is kind of ridiculous. Just to show you, there's built drag cars like this everywhere. And then you have stuff like that, full on fiberglass body. You got funny cars. Actually, right behind me, there's another funny car, but God, the cars here are really kick-ass. We got some spare time until I run, so I think I'm gonna go up to the stands and then just shoot a few runs for you guys. Holy fuck, I'm getting pretty close to my turn now, and like always, I get really fucking anxious. Literally, it's something I've always done since I started motorsports, so I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. Regardless, the goal out there is to hit like a 13-second quarter mile. I personally think the car does have a 12 with the right driver. I just think it's gonna be a bit of a learning curve, so if I can hit a 13 today, that's gonna be freaking awesome. Man, so that was my first ever pass on a drag strip and someone comes into my lane. Luckily, we weren't even close. And I really think that's just because my whole idea behind it was I'm gonna let the other guy get the hit, just get down the drag strip just to get the feeling. The next one, I'll go a little harder. Try to improve, obviously work on reaction time. But yeah, it was kind of a little bit of a oh crap moment, but luckily no one was hurt. That's the most important thing because the car's replaceable, people aren't. I would like to say I actually talked to the driver afterwards and he was super apologetic, but I'm not really mad at him. I mean, this is racing, shit happens. I know some of you guys would be interested, so you can see I ran a 20-second quarter mile at 40 miles per hour. That's not fast, but it's okay because no one was hurt and that's the most important thing. Well, it looks like it's almost time for me to go again. You know, I really want to get a full pass under my belt, so I'm gonna let the other person get the hit again and then go right after them. Like I said, for me, it's just about getting comfortable. I mean, I've done other types of motorsport, but this is something different, and I think it's a bit of a learning curve and probably the smart way to approach it. I'm gonna need some more seat time though. I know some of you guys really may be in the drag racing, so I thought I'd put my numbers right here. I am the right lane, car 421. Obviously these numbers aren't the best, but I think it's just more of a stepping stone, and I really feel like with more seat time, I can squeeze a high 12-second quarter mile out of this car. Anyways, I'm gonna call it a day. The weather is actually supposed to get worse and it's gonna start raining. So it's a little unfortunate that I only got 2 runs, but it's just the way it goes. I will definitely be back. I really want to hit a 12-second quarter mile. I'm just needing to polish up my driving skills a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, I'd really appreciate it if you liked, comment, subscribe, even shared the videos. That helps me so much. And as always, have a great day.